Hello and welcome back to the Birdu ID channel. Creating a form on your website is super easy with Birdu. You can add different types of input fields, and all the data submitted through the form will appear neatly in your reports dashboard. In this video, we'll focus specifically on selection-based input types, how to create option groups inside your data collection form, and how to customize the design of those options. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Click the like button below and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss new tutorials. First, from your Birdu website dashboard, go to Layout. Here I'll demonstrate using a custom page as an example. Click Add section, then search for Collect Data Form. By default, the form will look like this. You can rename the default input fields here. For a basic step-by-step tutorial on creating forms, feel free to check the video linked in the description below. And feel free to customize the button as well, including the text, color, and even the icon. Also, make sure to adjust the submission message so it matches your website's tone. For example, success, your form has been submitted. For any field that uses a selection type, visitors will be able to choose from the available options. Now, let's customize how this looks. Edit one of the default fields and change the design type to Selection. You can rename the field and set the options however you like. Let's assume we're creating a form for business partnership registration, so I'll rename this field to Business Category and update the options to Broadcasting, Photography, Video and Motion Graphics, Clinic, and others, according to your needs. Now let's create groups for these options. Go to the Group tab, click Add New Group, and I'll create a few. For example, Media Creative, Healthcare, Finance and Accounting, Tech, and Education. If you need more, just keep adding new groups here. Then, go back to the Input field, and in the Options section, you can assign each option to a specific group. Once you're done, it'll look something like this. Keep in mind, grouping options like this is meant purely to make the selection process easier for your visitors, especially when there are many options to choose from. The group name itself is not stored in the submitted data. Only the selected option will appear in your report. Let's save this form and see how it works. Here's the form we just created. Let's say a visitor is filling it out and selects Hospital under the Business Category group. Now I'll refresh the page to simulate a second visitor filling out the same form. Let's go back to the Birdu website dashboard, then go to Reports, then Data Form, and open the data report linked to this form. You'll see the form submissions here. Notice that the data collected only includes the selected option, not the group name. So again, grouping options only helps make selection easier for users, especially when you have a long list of choices. If you want to add or remove groups, you can manage them anytime under the Group Settings tab. Now let's move on to the second part of this video, customizing the visual design of your option fields. In Birdu, there are multiple layout styles available for selection-based fields: radio, vertical and horizontal, and panel design. However, keep in mind that option grouping only applies to the selection type, not to other designs like radio or panel. To get a clearer view, click Full Screen Preview. Here you can see how each style looks in full. Let's explore panel design. You can also customize the visual appearance, like how many columns to show: 1, 3, or 5. And the colors for each panel element. You can change the radio, the small circle when an option is selected, panel text color, panel background color, and panel border color. For the active state, meaning when a visitor clicks or selects an option. You can customize active text color, active background color, and active border color. Here's an example of what that looks like when the option is selected. Finally, let's talk about default options. The default option is the one that appears pre-selected when the form loads. You can set it to None, First Option, or any specific choice. If you select None, the form will load without any option automatically selected. Once you're done, click Done, then Save. Now you know how to group options and customize the design of your selection fields in a form. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Birdu channel for more helpful tutorials. Follow us on social media for more website design tips and updates. See you in the next video.